which is in here. I don't know how well it is, if you can see her at all. And then this is a candy cap, so it stays. You can see the dot of the queen right there. Press it into the comb. The bees will eat through the candy tip to get to her and free her, and that should be it. Hive's looking okay. It's honey, but not an insane amount. I'm supposed to leave it for a week before I check on them to make sure that there's brood here, so I'll just let them do their thing for a week, and hopefully they accept her, and we can go from there, and the bees will start making brood again and get some health up. Based on this loss, maybe I'll just leave most of their honey for them this year and not really take much out of there to help encourage their health for next year. So I'll just slide this back in. And that's it. Close it back up.